For this one, I use the saw to cut the wood into pieces. For the second one, I use wood glue to make the cell phone holder. And I will make sure that the wood I glue is durable and quality and be presentable. This is the result. Then the third one, I rub the wood to make it smooth and presentable. Lastly, I use paint to cover the wood and to make beautiful. The paint I use is color brown to look more elegant and to look more presentable to other eye people. And I use this one to clean the product and make it the wood is smoother and presentable. And here we go. This is the final product or the cell phone holder that I do it, and it's so look beautiful.